Hey there, I'm Yussi Weisz, and welcome to my home, where the hustle and bustle of shopping, cooking, and cleaning all week is our way of preparing the Kovet Shabbos Kodesh. So, when that special moment arrives, we sit back, take a deep breath, and say out loud, Baruch Hashem, it's Shabbos. Rosh Hashanah is around the corner. We all do the head of the fish, the cup from the fish, groisa minik. Let's prepare the Shaniel Rosh Veloy Lazunov Balabatish, shine. So when I was a kid, Rosh Hashanah, the main thing was the head of the fish. When it came out, this was like the eye of the fish, and my brother would go like, hey, kabite. Why not take the head of the fish and make something nice out of it? Not only that, the fish is a great fish for Rosh Hashanah, or you can use it all year. When you take the tail off the fish, the rest of the fish is part of the head of the fish. And then you have a head of a fish that you can actually eat. That's beautiful. They have simanim with it. It's a gorgeous platter. A little bit of light olive oil. I have to cook my celery and my garlic and leek. All these are simanim, right? Of course. The fish will cook faster than these vegetables will be ready. I'm gonna cut them in like strips. So, noch ein bisschen liegt, was auf so eine riesige Mitzvah liegt. These are raisins right here, because I want a raise in my salary. So this is raisins, this is a raise. And celery is the same. Okay, so let's see what's going on over here. So, and it's lower than that, because it's kind of vague. Yes. I'm at the end of the leek and the cabbage. Oh, I didn't put in cabbage, but I put leaves and she korsi sarnani. Hold on a second. She korsi sarnani. Okay, so put in a little garlic for taste. You know why? Because you want your year to down fill a time. Like around this little garlic. Next, we start with the fish. First thing when you do fish is gloves. This is the part I love most. Taking off the tail, while summer Shaniel Rosh Veloy Lazunov, and Zgaima Machen Loy Lazunov. 1, 2, 3, Loy Lazunov. Done. 1, 2, 3, Loy Lazunov. Done. 1, 2, 3, Loy Lazunov. Zehn Drittmal. Done. Zuka Zunov. So let's flavor this fish. A little salt and pepper, and some lemon, and some garlic. Gonna stuff it. And this is how you want to prepare your fish dish. Take your vegetables. Ooh, that's hot. Right on the bottom. Look at that. Take your fish. Nicely seasoned. You can go both ways. How about like this? Shrekedig. Let's move this one to the side. My disposable cutting board. Look at that. Cracked it. You want to add some olives? Shivas aminim. Not stam shivas aminim. These are Toscanini shivas aminim. Garlic olives. It's good. We're going to do a few different flavors. This one is a spicy one. Yo. What's this? Original. Okay. I like the spicy one best. Some dates. Here we have a little bay leaves. Make it a knife. If you give it a nice little cut, it brings out a lot more of the flavor. And you're just going to throw this out later. And if you have a little extra oregano, why not? I'm going to add a little bit of honey. So, preheat your oven, 420 minutes. So it's 20 minutes later, and here comes the cup of the fish. But we have a special guest today. Here he comes. Some little kid Shulam sends me an email with a video of him making a cooking show. This is the cutest little kid in the world. He's a huge fan of the Baruch Hashem Shabbos episodes. He loves the Yussi Weisz videos. You know, he has the towel on the shoulder. So he basically makes fun of me. And he made this funniest video ever. I decided next time I shoot, I'm gonna have to bring him down. I tracked him down, I got him, and here he is. Let's say hello to Shulam. High five. Yeah, high five. There you go. What's your name?
Shulam.
Shulam what?
Short.
And do you like cooking shows?
Yeah.
Very good. Which is your favorite cooking show? So we have something special for you, and I hope you're not going to get scared. Look at this. It's very, very, very hot. Careful. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Well, what is that?
Fishies.
Fishies! Yeah! You know, special for Rosh Hashanah, do you know what kind of fish we eat?
Cup and the
cup and the fish. Very good. Do you want to see a real cup from the fish?
Yeah.
I'll show you. No, but it's a little scary. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You're not going to get scared?
No.
Okay. What is that?
A cup and the fish.
Whoa! Look at this cup. You know that it still has teeth. You see that? You see this over here? This is the tooth from the fish. Once, maybe it can bite you. Look what I have for you also. I have a sticker. Okay, there we go. I'm also going to get one. Look. Good?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. You want to taste the fish or you don't like to taste fish?
I don't like the taste.
You don't like to taste the fish, right?
No.
How about this? Do you like the taste of this?
I don't like these ones.
Which ones do you like?
These ones.
Okay, taste it. Tell me if it's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to put these ones, I'm going to put a little bit over the top over here. Okay? Just like that. How's that?
Good.
Shulam, I think you did a great job with the cooking show. Give me 5. Thank you for coming. You can go over there. Let's finish. Shulam, look what I have for you. I got an ISIS. Okay.